Montesquieu said, "There is no crueler tyranny than that which is perpetuated under the shield of law and in the name of justice," meaning law and justice cannot actually be no longer considered to be worthy of trust, respect, admiration, appreciation by many people in the society under any circumstance and situations, because law and justice actually have lost their worth, significance, importance, and meaning alongside their credibility to the general mind and to the general public, to whom justice and equality are not served by the rule of law. And that means the rule of law basically has become subject to manipulation by the elites of the system that are running the whole show from behind the scenes. So these are political, social, and economic elites that control not only the politics of the country but also wield enormous influence upon the politicians, the bureaucrats, as well as the other powerful figures in the organizations as well as the governments that make policies for us difficult, and then our lives become complex, complicated, and conflicting again because of those people operating from the top and controlling and manipulating the governments, politicians, and their actions in one way or another. And there can be no crueler or harsher punishment, tyranny, dominance in the society and perpetrated against the people of the country, which is done primarily under the shield of law and in the name of justice, equality, liberty, and the human rights as well. So law and justice and equality have become very complicated and complex because they no longer are in any position to serve humanity or us in the society with any character, justice, or other kinds of mitigation to our problems, because law and justice, as I mentioned earlier, cannot be considered to be trustworthy and deserving of our respect, admiration, or love or appreciation, because they can be easily manipulated by the strong, the influential, and the wealthy that are always present in modern society in the form of billionaires, capitalists, bureaucrats, or some politicians or their sons, and the list just goes on. So if law and justice can be twisted, manipulated, and dominated by politics, bureaucracy, and capitalism, then obviously they do not have any credibility, worth, or significance left about themselves, and they don't serve us therefore with anything done to us that's wrong,